If you're looking to make the most of limited square footage in a tiny apartment, you're going to want to take advantage of the IKEA hacks we highlight below. Welcome to Jensen's DIY, and in this video, I've listed 16 IKEA hacks that small space feel roomy. 1. Headboards are usually nothing more than an aesthetic choice to add some visual flair to your room. But with IKEA Bisa shoe cabinets, you can immediately transform this non-functional space into usable storage that still looks fantastic. Assemble 3 Bisa shoe cabinets, pull out your base bed, line up the 3 cabinets, voila! Bed head complete with storage and ledge. 2. Grab a handful of Expedit shelves from the folks at IKEA and turn them into an all-around storage solution that will support your bed while adding a Swedish platform style to your space. Simply get 2 bookshelves, space them apart, lay the slats on top, done! 3. Unassembled Beckvam spice racks form a sliding pantry for a very, very narrow space. First, do not assemble the Beckvam spice rack. Fill up the holes on the sides of the Beckvam with wood paste, as we won't be needing them. Drill new holes for the copper tubes. Apply varnish on the boards and allow them to dry thoroughly. Varnish dries slowly, so be patient. Add casters to the corner at the widest possible area. Slot the boards through the copper tubes. Use a level to make sure they are straight, then seal them in place with hot glue. 4. Invest in a number of the Billy bookcases that allow you to create an entire wall of shelving units that looks like a built-in fixture. It will add quite a bit of visual style and interest to your space, while at the same time allowing for a module or storage solution that fits your needs perfectly. First, measure the space in between the walls. Build essentially a rectangular box to set shelves in to keep them steady and in place. From there, set the shelves in the base, spaced evenly, and then secure them to the wall. Once they were secured, cut and paint the boards to build them into the walls. This front board was later covered with more molding, so the gap above it didn't show. 5. Use this neat little IKEA hack to simply mount a shower rod and shower rings directly to the back of a cabinet door, the back of your pantry door, or in some other tucked away in your area of your home. You can suspend bags of spices directly from the shower rings with little clips. This isn't just going to save you a lot of space, but it's also going to save you a lot of money on spices for the long haul. 6. Create a workstation from IKEA metal frame and have everything you need in one small cubicle. This workstation would make me excited to work from home every day. 7. Anyone that has a bathroom vanity overrun with makeup brushes and cosmetic accessories and all kinds of other odds and ends knows just how hard it is to get a handle on everything. With IKEA plug-as containers, you can better manage everything right out of the gate without having to box things. 8. Nobody wants to leave their bike sitting around the place, but not a lot of people want to spend a mountain of money on a custom wall mount for their bicycle either. Grab 2 IKEA stool legs, then mount them directly to your wall. Stick some self-adhesive rubber pads to the part where your bike will be suspended, and you're good to go. 9. New parents understand just how important it is to keep baby spaces clean and organized. A combination of the Gulliver crib and Fixa felt pads can turn a crib into an all-in-one changing station that doesn't eat up any extra real estate. Take a wide enough board and fasten it to the crib using 2 Z-shaped gizmos, and then use Fixa felt pads to protect the crib from scratches. 10. Don't have a lot of room on either side of your bed, but still want to enjoy the utility and functionality of a nightstand? Get your hands on a full mirror cabinet and tuck it next to your bed, and you'll be able to turn this medicine cabinet into a quality and compact nightstand from IKEA. 11. IKEA sells these really cool flexible pot lid holders and organizer solutions that work wonders to clear up the clutter inside of your cabinets. But you can also use these neat little gizmos to better organize your boots by storing them upside down so that they have plenty of time to air out and breathe when they aren't in use. 12. Looking for a quick way to add extra nightstand functionality to your bedroom that does double duty as a bench or a puppy crate all at the same time? Be sure to get your hands on the whole storage solution from the folks at IKEA and turn it into this multi-purpose piece of furniture. It'll change the way you use your bedroom almost immediately. 13. Trying to squeeze extra space out of tiny bedrooms for people to sleep is never easy. But you can use 2 separate Fagelse twin beds from IKEA to create a trundle-style bed setup perfect for guests. Set up one of these twin-size beds. Then, slide the other bed underneath the first one and you'll be able to double your sleeping capacity without using up any floor space. 14. These Frost-A-Stools from the folks at IKEA make fantastic little dinner trays when you don't have room for an additional coffee table in your living room. Not only do they look great and serve a very important use, but they can also be modular and slide around as necessary to accommodate anyone sitting on your sofas. Check out the step-by-step guide instruction on IKEA Hackers. 15. Traditional cat scratch towers or kitty condos are almost always a lot larger than most spaces can accommodate. With the Stolman post and mounting fixtures set up at IKEA, you can create your own custom DIY cat tower or kitty condo that fits your space perfectly. Toying and tinkering with different designs until you get one that works best for your available floor space and for your cats. 16. This fold-out changing table isn't just able to be mounted directly to any wall surface, but it can also provide you with modular storage solutions to keep all of your baby diapers, wipes, and other cleaning supplies close at hand. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more IKEA ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.